YouTube, what's going on? Kevin the Tech Ninja here, and I just got back from the Apple store. Just bought a MagSafe charger. It looks like they were in the stores before they were getting shipped out. And I was actually wondering, does this work for older iPhones or does it work for Android phones? I'm just wondering, as a guy that has a lot of phones, I wanna make sure this thing that I bought for 40 bucks can charge more than just my iPhone. Before I get deep into the video, Johnny, what's up, man? Hit that subscribe button right now. I know you're thinking, me, Jonathan, Johnny? Yes, you. Hit that subscribe button right now. Okay, as I said just a few moments ago, this is $40 and you can buy it right now from Apple. They have them available in stores or they can ship it to your house. I don't have the iPhone 12 yet. It has not shipped as of right now, but I wanna know if I have an iPhone 11, can I still use this or what are the limitations? So just take a look at the box really quick. On the front, it just shows what it is. This is actual true to life size. And also it shows that it is USB-C. And then it looks like it's telling you that it wants you to plug into a 20-watt power brick. Now this box is pretty small. Obviously there's not a power brick in here. So if you have a 20-watt power brick, you're good to go. But if you don't have a 20-watt power brick, you may need to buy one from Apple. Now, when I bought this in store, they didn't tell me this at all, or when I was buying it from Apple's website, it didn't tell me this as well. So if I was an uninformed consumer, I'd bring this home and I wouldn't have a way to plug it into anything. Now, I do have a ton of these laying around the house, but majority of these are gonna be standard USB and not USB-C. Even your old Apple charger is gonna be the same version of USB and not USB-C, so you will need to buy the extra charging brick. To be 100% honest, not a huge fan of that. I don't think that's fair to the consumer, but this video is not about that. But anyways, I just unboxed it a few moments ago. I saved you the torture of me trying to open this box. Here it is. It's very simple. It looks just like how it looks in the box. It does give you a pretty decent cable. This looks like around a 3-foot cable as I tangle it up. Now I happen to have a MacBook charger, which is a bit overkill for this right here, but I do have this. It is above 20 watts for sure, so we should get the full charging speeds. So we're gonna go ahead and see which devices does it work with. Does it work with cases and all that stuff? Okay, so as you guys know, with the iPhone 12, the way it works, it has this magnet on the back and it snaps on. According to everything I've seen and what I've heard, it's on there very, very tight. So much they even have accessories like a wallet that just goes on there and protect your money and valuables and all those things, that it's that secure where it shouldn't cause you no issues. Is this the case with non-MagSafe products? Let's take a look here. This is an iPhone 11 Pro Max. We'll go ahead and set it on here. Okay, looks like it is charging. We just set it on here and it starts to charge. Now, I'm most likely not getting the full speeds and there's really no way to test the actual speeds with it, but it is charging. It looks like it does stick a little bit, but we're not getting that extreme stickiness as we would get with the iPhone 12. But it is definitely sticking on here. Right in the middle is where the coils are at, and this is where you get the most sticking. Towards the bottom, it really doesn't stick too much, but in the middle it does. And this is where it charges at. So it does make it a little bit easier to guide the phone on there. You can kind of slide it around until it sticks. Do one of these. And now it's sticking, and then this is where it starts charging. So that's pretty simple. What if you have a case on your phone, a pretty thick case too? Will it work? This is a very thick case on the iPhone 11 Pro, the non-Max version. Same thing, right to the middle, it's sticking and it's starting to charge. Okay, same thing. What about non-Apple products like an Android phone? Would that work? Here's a Pixel 5. Here we go, same thing. Does it stick? Yes, it does stick. So you still have some sticking properties because these phones do have metal internals and things like that. Even if the whole phone is not metal, like this phone is not metal, it does still have the ability to stick because it is a wireless charging phone. What about your Apple Watch? Will your Apple Watch charge on the MagSafe charger? There's nothing sticking on here at all. Now this is a Apple Watch Series 4, so I'm not sure if it's different with Series 6, but Series 4, this is what we're getting. So we're not getting any type of wireless charge at all using the Apple Watch. And it's not sticking either. I do feel that it's magnetizing here a little bit, but it's not enough to stick. Now, one more test is gonna be Android once again, but this is a thick fabric case. Let's see if the thick fabric case has anything different as far as wireless charging. I don't know, let's just try it out. Same thing. Okay, so it does look like this is a viable wireless charger. We do have the same charging properties that you're gonna see with the iPhone 12, but the iPhone 12 is gonna give you those faster speeds, and also it's going to stick way better. Now, if you do wanna pick it up from Apple, I left links down in the description below, but make sure you get yourself a charging brick too from Apple. As this thing says, it requires or requests you to have a 20-watt charging brick. If you do less than 20 watt, I'm not sure if it just won't charge at all or you get a slower charge, but the optimal speed is 20 watts. And obviously you have to buy that additionally. So you're paying 40 bucks plus you're paying for this charging brick. I mean, this makes this thing pretty pricey just to charge your one product at a time. I don't know, guys. What do you think down below? Is it a waste of money? Is this something you're going to run out and buy? I really do want to know. Anyways, guys, this was just a quick video. My name is Kevin the Tech Ninja. If you like this type of content, you know what to do. Hit subscribe, leave a comment, and ring that bell notification. All right, guys, take care. Peace.